Day one of the historic criminal trial of former President Donald Trump is in the books. Trump facing 34 felony counts for falsifying business records for hush money payments made to cover up a sex scandal with a porn star.
Jury selection is underway. Our chief legal correspondent Katie Barlow live in the newsroom tonight tracking today's developments. Katie.
Well, good evening to both of you. Judge Juan Manuel Marchand ended the day at 4:30 p.m. sharp. Marchand spent most of the morning addressing arguments from the Manhattan DA's office and Trump's legal team. Prosecutors want Trump held in contempt for violating the gag order that's supposed to prevent him from making public comments about potential witnesses, DA staff, and the court staff, along with their family members. Trump continues to push the limits of that gag order on Truth Social, but kept things in check with brief comments this afternoon.
We got a real problem with this judge. We have a real problem with a lot of things having to do with this trial, including the DA, because you go right outside and people are being mugged and killed all day long, and he's sitting here all day with about 10 or 12 prosecutors over nothing, over what people say shouldn't be a trial. So I just want to thank you very much.
This afternoon, 96 New Yorkers entered the courtroom as potential jurors. Some craned their necks to get a look at the former president. More than half of them were dismissed when they said they did not think they could be fair and impartial. Then remaining potential jurors were asked about their media diet, details about what they do for work, whether they're married or related to anyone who's a lawyer or in law enforcement. One potential juror lives on the Upper West Side, is married with 2 kids, and has worked for the New York City government for 20 years. Another watches Fox News and MSNBC and lives in West Harlem. The court needs 12 jurors plus 6 alternates to begin trial. Yet another juror is an assistant district attorney in the Bronx that promised an ability to be fair and impartial as a juror. This evening, Marchand denied Trump's request to miss trial next week to attend oral argument at the Supreme Court as they consider whether he is immune from criminal prosecution. Marchand said Trump, quote, is required to be here. He is not required to be at the Supreme Court. Guys.